Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to work with the prize wheel or the spin to win element. Okay, so first we're going to add a row to our pop-up and let's make it 2 rows of equal width. Okay, now let's drag and drop the prize wheel or once again the spin to win element. Okay, here it is. Okay, now let's add a button that will react to the spin to the prize wheel. Now let's also add a couple of form fields for the name and the email of the person that is going to be spinning the wheel. Okay, so we have the form fields. Now let's change its type. So this is going to be an email. The placeholder text is going to be email. You can already preset a value here. For example, if I write example@mail.com, this text will already be waiting for the visitors, and once they click on it, it won't go away like the placeholder. Okay, so let's remove it because that's not what we want to do. So this is the email. No, let's do this the name, and this is going to be the email field. Okay. See, as you can see, we have these fields marked as required, and you can see the asterisk here, the red one. You can change this label, the text of it, or you can remove it completely depending on what you want. So I'm going to just remove one and leave the other one. Just let's write email here. Okay, now we want to change the settings of the button so that upon a click it will spin the wheel. As you can see, it's not working right now, and the reason for that is that we did not create the second step. So let's create the second step. So this is we're looking at the copy of it. Let's remove the prize wheel from here. Let's remove this as well and this, but we are going to add a coupon code, promo code element here. Okay, here it is. Now let's delete the form field. Okay. So for example, this is the setup. Let's go back to the first step. We do it here. Okay, now let's set up the prize wheel. So we click on the pencil icon, and now let's configure the settings. Okay, now let's set up the settings of our prize wheel. So we have the slice type as a coupon. So let's change the last couple of results to text, and let's change the text to not today or better luck next time. Or let's just say next time. Next time. Okay, and here let's select the coupon code. So it can be different ones, but we're going to use the same one. Okay, so this is the setup, this is the gravity, so how much the chances are of this result coming up. So if you set it at, I don't know, 100 and the rest is 0, the 10% discount coupon will appear all the time. Okay, now let's save the changes and continue. And now let's link the button to the prize wheel. Okay, spin the wheel. Okay, that looks good. Now let's check the second step. And here we're going to select a dynamic spin result so that it just syncs with the prize wheel on the second step. Okay. And now let's change this button and let's close the pop-up when clicked upon. So basically, you can add you can add texts here. You can add change the background, upload a new image. Okay, now let's see if this works. Let's preview what we have. Okay, now let's see what the spin to win pop-up will look like. Okay, here we have the thank you step selected. Now let's select step 1, and let's click on it. And there we have the promo code, which can be used by the visitor. And the continue button is supposed to close the pop-up. Okay, there it is. Now let's go back to the builder. And that is it for the spin to win element or the prize wheel. Thanks for watching and have a good one.